Guys, it's dinner time. Today I got chicken curry and rice. With them, I got onion, tomato, black olive, and with all of them, I got Mr Naga Gold. And drinks, I got Lucozade. So before I eat, let's do outfit check. The t-shirt I'm wearing today is I got this one from Bangladesh. It's football team, Bangladesh football team, Bafufu. That's it, Bafufe. And this trouser I'm wearing is from Trentas. So now try the chicken curry. And Mr. Naga, look at this Naga. It's so spicy. I need to maybe drink something to get rid of it. Bismillah. Tomato. Then I'm gonna try eating this onion. It's like a flower. Wow. This is red onion. Better than other one. Best for making salad with this. Black olive. Mr. Naga. Take the bone out. Naga is so spicy, I can feel it. This is Mr. Naga #1 spice. And I got black chilli as well. I didn't even see it, I forgot. Bismillah. Both Naga and black chili make more spice in my mouth.